Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. They have a very special box that came in, something I believe that might be potentially a giveaway. So I'm pretty excited, been getting a few things in lately, and as the channel grows, thank you to you guys. First of all, I want to thank all my subscribers out there. Really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. Just want to say a big thank you to you. And all the members, channel members who've recently signed up and who've been members since the very beginning, thank you to you guys as well. You guys make this possible, so I just really appreciate all of you out there. You guys are all just amazing, and you know, this channel growth and everything is all due to you guys. So just wanted to give a big thank you to that. Without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, so this is a big box. It feels like it's more than one thing. Today I'm opening up with my Berg Blades Sweeney. This is a great little Riot made knife, beautiful action front flipper. Oops, try not to knock the hole. Oh, I guess I didn't cut it all. I think I got it all now. Hopefully we'll get in. All right, so there's a little receipt. I'm going to grab that. I think there is. What do we got here? Oh, okay, hold on. All right, so let's see what's in here. All right, we got a sticker, which is always cool. I like stickers. All right, so what do we have in this one? Let's save that packaging, that paper for wrapping. All right, so get a little DLT field duty notebook. That's kind of cool. I like that. Kind of save that. All right, we got a shark knife. Got two shark knives here. All right, so let's see what we got. The first one has a sticker. I like stickers. This is AD20.5. This one right here is Shark's Foot OD Green. So this looks like an original. We'll do this one first. Let's save that. Put that off to the side. This looks like, yeah, looks like the original here. So let's take a look at this. Get the AD Demco. What we got in here? Oh, we got a little clip. It's left right hand carry. All right. So DLT Trading had a little deal on the knives, and one of them was that if you bought one, you got one free, and this would be the free one. This is Grivery, an AD20.5, and it is the Shark's Foot, and it's an AS10A. But I bought this because I got this one for free, and I bought it with the intention of this would make a great giveaway knife, right? So that's the purpose of me buying this one right here. So I might have something coming in for this knife. All right, so it's nice and pretty centered. A little loose, we might have to tighten that up. You got your pivot on here, all black hardware. It's AS10A, which is like equivalent to D2, I think. Maybe not quite as good. They say it is, but I'm not sure it is. It's pretty cheap. I mean, it's a good, very good budget knife, right? So if you would need a knife to beat up and bang up, this would definitely do that. You can choke up just like a regular AD20.5. But this is the Grivery, or what we call it, the FRN plastic molded, injection molded. Everything else about it's the same. It's got the hardware, the Shark Lock, which works just fine, right? And then big thumb stud, and you've got the Shark's Foot right there. It is AS10, but got this with the intention that this could make something really cool. I'm getting something else in. We'll save that one for when that other thing comes in. I think it's going to be part of the cool giveaway. All right, so in this one, here we have a second one, and this is the, getting into this one. All right, let's see how we can get into this. All right. There's got to be a way to figure this out. Push. Maybe push like that. Ah, there we go, finally. Ooh, that's adult proof, huh? All right. So this is a newer one, right? This right here has the full big pivot, G10. Texture is very aggressive, extremely aggressive. Yeah, for sure. All right, so we got the full Shark Lock right there. Got the typical, not super deep pocket carry because it prioritizes the lanyard. Pretty good blade, pretty dead centered. We got the steel standoffs in the back, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Oh yeah, look at that. That is a Tanto shaped blade, and that's in 3V. So there you go. Now we can see what the shark's foot compared to the shark's foot, right? And then if I grab my other one, then we have the clip point, right? So here's a Tanto, here's a shark's foot, and here's the clip point. So let's zoom in a little bit. You can take a better look at the blade shapes here. So what do y'all think? Which is your favorite? I'm digging this one. It is a pretty thick, aggressive tip on that one right there. Has a nice sharp point there. I will say the blade appears to be, yeah, it's about the same thickness, right? Definitely, it's not a clip point. This clip, you know, I guess it's a clip Tanto, clip point Tanto, what have you. All right, nice sharp edge, 3V. It's got the full pivot there. I do like that. About the same width in the stuff there. And then what you can see is the rock scale designs, those scales are a little bit thicker. And I got to tell you, it feels a little bit nicer, being a little thicker. No questions about that. I do like that a lot. But I got to tell you, that Tanto shape is pretty cool. It's pretty stinking cool. I do dig that a lot. So, yeah, that's kind of cool for sure. Absolutely for sure. Let's look at the blade stock thickness, about the same. How about the length of the blade? It appears to be about the same. Now, sometimes I've heard the shark's foot's a little shorter. Yeah, it is. It's just a tad bit shorter. I don't know if you can see that. Just a tad bit shorter. Let's zoom out here a little bit. Oops, that's not zooming out. Yeah, so I think for sure, I don't know if we can get that up here like this. All right. Yeah, these two seem to be about the same. That might be a little bit shorter. I don't know if it is or not, but it appears it. So if we go from here to here, 2 3/4, let's see, from here to here, right at 3. Go from here to here, we're right at 3. Yeah, so right in the middle of, yeah, this might be just a hair longer, but I will tell you the shark's foot is definitely a little shorter, probably by 1/4 of an inch or so. But it's a very utilitarian kind of type of blade, right? People like that. This is kind of like the reverse of the Tanto. So you can call it a shark's foot, Warncliffe, whatever, you know. But I do like that Tanto blade though. That's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. All right, so there you go. That's what we're talking about there. I will say, I think I like these scales the best on this one. So what I might do is I might just, well, put, sorry if you hear noise in the background, my family's in the living room. What I might do is I might put the, whatchamacallit, the carbon fiber scales on this one, or swap these out. So we'll take a look at that. We'll see how it goes. All right, so that is the unboxing. Do I have enough time? Yeah, maybe I do have enough time. So let's see if I can do that real quick. So I'm gonna pause and come right back. Okay, I'm back. So I think I found the other scales. We'll use these. I won't actually need the liners from that other one. We have some extra hardware. The steel hardware. Probably won't need that. All right, I think I also have some O-rings. So we'll put this box over there. We're going to put this one back into the regular box, because this right here is going to be the big fancy giveaway. Okay, put this over there. I had 2 extra sets of washers for the AD20.5. I just shot my spring out, didn't I? If you saw that fly, that's crazy. I always tell you, be careful about the spring, and I wasn't. There we go. There we go. Tanto version. All right, there we go. We got the new scales put on. I think it looks amazing. Get all the stuff out of the way. All right. So, what do you guys think? There we go. All right, so hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, entertaining, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the notification button? Sorry, the subscribe button. I'm trying to say this too fast. If you've already, subscribing and liking the videos really, really helps out the channel. I really do appreciate that very, very much. To all of you guys out there, you're awesome. Thank you. And the channel members, by the way, thank you to you guys. And if you want to consider being a channel member, check down the description as well. If you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button so you'll be notified of future content. And finally, if you haven't checked me out over on Instagram, would you consider going over there and checking out Robs_nerdy_knives? Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. Sure do appreciate you guys watching. You guys have a great day and a great week. Bye.